All right. So we're gonna see if it's gonna pee now, since we submerged the thing. See if it got primed.
Okay. Slowly find it out. Neutral one, no. That one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Tohatsu 9.8.
Okay, there. Check. No. Check. Yeah. Okay. No choke, right? No choke.
Still no water.
No water?
No water here.
They are coming out, but no water, right? This means something maybe Impeller now.
Okay, shut off. Add more water then.
No water? Okay, I'll try and...
You want to try putting gears down and try it?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you try that. Maybe blow that out. I don't think...
Where is the impeller? Is it below this thing?
No, it's above the vent.
Right here.
Where?
There's a bottom here, impeller down here. Not here, impeller down there.
Just more water then. We're already here. It's a little bit more.
Like you said, maybe putting gear. Like
Yeah, you go try that. If it's not working, which means I have to replay impeller. Okay. You want more?
Can this thing go down more?
No, that's it.
Cannot open this and make it go down more than the last one?
Right in here?
I just want it a little bit lower, that's all. But it's okay. I mean,
Cannot lower, but if you want to lower with water, more water.
yeah, just shoot more water in.
Okay.
All right, you can start it now.
Maybe the impeller, is broken down and the broken. Hold on.
couldn't start. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, put it in gear.
Put it here.
Lower the gas.
Right?
Okay. I mean, it is pushing out, but it's like not in nothing. So I'm like,
right?
I was like, is it being primed? All right, you can shut down.
Okay.
How come the water not come through?